99% of men are blind to the ways women show their love non-verbally to their crush. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we're going to uncover a fascinating aspect of attraction, the non-verbal, hidden ways that women show love to their crush. It's an area where most men unfortunately tend to be a bit blind. These subtle, silent expressions of affection can be the most telling signs of her interest and feelings towards you. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to notice and appreciate these hidden gestures of love, deepening your understanding of her and your connection. Oh, and be sure to stick around until the end for a bonus tip that will come in extra handy. Her ability to tune into your moods before you even speak. When a woman is truly into you, she often develops a heightened sense of awareness towards your emotions. This means she can pick up on and respond to your moods and feelings without you having to say anything. It's not just about reading your facial expressions or body language, it's about sensing your emotional state. This kind of empathetic connection signifies deep care and attention. She's attuned to the subtle changes in your demeanour and tries to understand what you might be going through, offering comfort or space as needed. If you notice this level of empathy from her and you reciprocate her feelings, acknowledge and appreciate her sensitivity, you can express gratitude for her understanding and care, which shows you value her emotional connection. If you are comfortable, open up about what you are feeling. Sharing your emotions can deepen the bond between you two. Remember, this type of non-verbal communication is a two-way street. Try to be equally attentive to her moods and feelings. This mutual understanding and care can lay a strong foundation for a meaningful and supportive relationship. Small, often unnoticed sacrifices she makes for your happiness. One of the most telling nonverbal signs of a woman's deep affection is her willingness to make sacrifices for your happiness. These might be small gestures, like changing her plans to spend time with you or giving up something she enjoys to do, something you like. These sacrifices are not always grand or dramatic, but they are significant in their intention. They show that she values your happiness and is willing to compromise for the betterment of your relationship. It's her way of saying you are important to her without using words. If you recognize these sacrifices and share her feelings, it's important to show your appreciation. Acknowledge her efforts, even if they seem minor. Let her know that you notice and value her compromises. Reciprocate by being considerate of her needs and making your own sacrifices for her happiness. This mutual give and take strengthens the bond that you share. It's also crucial to ensure that the sacrifices are balanced and don't burden one side of the relationship. A healthy relationship involves partners contributing equally to each other's well-being. Her patience and understanding towards your flaws and quirks. A woman who is genuinely into you will often exhibit a remarkable level of patience towards your imperfections. This doesn't mean she ignores them, but rather she accepts them as part of who you are. Her tolerance of your quirks, the little idiosyncrasies that others might find annoying, is a non-verbal sign of her deep affection. It shows she values you for who you truly are, not just an idealized version of you. This acceptance creates a comfortable space where you can be your authentic self without fear of judgment. If you notice this kind of patience and understanding from her and feel the same way, it's important to acknowledge and appreciate her acceptance. Express gratitude for her understanding nature and show her that you value her for who she is, flaws and all. Strive to reciprocate this patience by being understanding of her imperfections too. Recognizing and embracing each other's flaws can create a deep, authentic bond rooted in mutual acceptance and love. This understanding fosters a relationship where both partners feel loved, accepted, and secure. Her efforts to ensure your comfort in various situations. One of the more subtle yet significant ways a woman shows her love non-verbally is by making efforts to ensure your comfort. This could manifest in many small ways: adjusting the temperature when you are together, choosing a restaurant she knows that you like, or simply making sure you are at ease in a social setting. These actions might seem minor, but they are telling indicators of her consideration for your well-being. It shows she pays attention to your preferences and needs and takes steps to address them, often without being asked. If you recognize and appreciate these gestures, let her know. Express your gratitude for her thoughtfulness. Small acknowledgements can go a long way in showing that you value her care. Reciprocate by being attentive to her comfort as well. This mutual consideration can enhance the bond that you share, creating a nurturing and caring environment for both of you. It's all about being mindful of each other's needs and comfort, which is essential in building a deep and caring relationship. Before we move on, are you appreciating the insights? If so, a like and a quick comment go a long way. I love reading your thoughts and suggestions. Being your calm in the storm. Our next point looks at how she can be your calm in the storm, offering a soothing presence during your stressful or challenging times. When a woman is deeply into you, one of the most profound nonverbal signs is her ability to be your source of tranquility in difficult times. Whether it's a stressful day at work or a personal crisis, her presence can bring a sense of peace and stability. She might do this through a comforting touch, a listening ear, or just by being there silently by your side. This demeanor shows her deep empathy and desire to support you, providing a safe and calming space when life gets overwhelming. Recognizing and valuing this trait is crucial. Let her know how much her support means to you, especially during tough times. Express how her presence helps you feel more grounded and secure. It's important to provide her with the same level of support and calm when she needs it. Being there for each other in times of stress not only strengthens your bond, but also builds a foundation of mutual care and understanding. This shared resilience can make your relationship more robust and enduring. Syncing her routine with yours. Next up, we are focusing on how she might sync her routine with yours, adjusting her daily activities to create more shared moments. One of the subtle yet significant nonverbal signs of a woman's interest is when she starts aligning her routine with yours. This could involve changing her schedule to make time for you, aligning her breaks with yours, or even adopting some of your daily habits. These adjustments, though they might seem small, are her way of seeking more opportunities to be with you. It's not just about being in the same space, it's about wanting to be a part of your world and finding ways to strengthen the connection between you two. If you notice these changes and feel the same way about her, show your appreciation for her efforts. You can reciprocate by making adjustments in your routine to spend more time with her as well. This means meeting her for lunch if she changes her lunch hour to match yours, or joining her in an activity that she's taken up that you enjoy. Acknowledge her efforts to sync with your life and let her know how much you enjoy the additional time together. This mutual effort to align your routines can deepen your relationship, creating a sense of partnership and shared experiences. Bonus tip. Now for that vital bonus tip, the cultivation of shared interests and activities. Engaging in common hobbies or interests can significantly enhance your connection. Let's delve into why developing shared activities is crucial for a deeper bond and how it can make your relationship even more fulfilling. Engaging in activities and hobbies together can bring a new dimension to your relationship. It's about finding common ground and experiences that you both enjoy. This could involve starting a new hobby together, joining a class, or participating in activities that interest the both of you. Shared interests create opportunities for fun, collaboration, and creating memorable experiences. They provide a platform for both of you to grow and learn together, deepening your bond. These shared experiences can also lead to new, meaningful conversations and strengthen your emotional connection. It's about building a partnership where both individuals feel engaged, valued, and connected. Shared interests and activities are more than just fun, they are fundamental in building a strong, dynamic relationship. They foster teamwork, mutual respect, and understanding. By cultivating shared interests, you create a rich, vibrant partnership filled with shared experiences and memories, laying a solid foundation for a lasting and loving relationship. Now that you are able to spot her subtle actions, what's next for you? Discover the sexual things that women secretly crave, or learn about the questions she asks when she's been thinking about you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.